If you are looking for best immersion blenders, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart CSB 179 Smart Stick Hand Blender. This Cuisinart blender features a speed dial that makes it easy to puree soup quickly. Start on low and slowly increase the speed to get a smooth, splatter-free puree. Despite having narrow blade guards and a 300-watt motor, it was able to blend the soup in about 60 seconds. We didn't feel any stubborn suction. You have to press the unlock button to activate the trigger. Both were easy and comfortable to press while gripping the handle. It comes with a mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachment, all of which are dishwasher safe. Number 2. Braun Multiquick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. The Braun Multiquick 5 Hand Blender MQ505 rivals more expensive models at pureeing soup and smoothies thoroughly. It has a soft grip. In addition to a blending jar, the Braun comes with a whisk, but it doesn't include a chopper. Although cheaper options are available, we think it's worth paying a little more than a rock-bottom price to get a model that doesn't spatter. Our previous budget pick was more difficult to use and created hot liquid splashes that weren't fun or easy to clean up. While the Braun MQ505 was able to pulverize ice and frozen fruit with ease. Number 3. Breville BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender thoroughly purees even fibrous soups and can blend smoothies made with ice and frozen berries into thick, frosty mixtures. It has a rubber handle and a power button that you press naturally as you grip, so it's comfortable to hold even for long blending times. The blending wand doesn't spatter as it purees. We also appreciate the extra-large, 42-ounce blending jar, which has a handle, clearly marked measurements, and a rubber grip to keep it firmly in place during blending. The Breville comes with both a whisk and a chopper attachment. Number 4. KitchenAid 2-Speed Hand Blender. We were impressed with the quality of this KitchenAid immersion blender, one of the more affordable ones we tested. It quickly became our go-to for smoothies, quiet, very powerful, and easy to use. It was able to quickly blend ice, coconut, and whole almonds in our smoothie into a creamy drinkable consistency. It also didn't suction to the bottom of containers as much as other immersion blenders we tested, and the blender attachment is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The handle is rubberized for a comfortable grip and the trigger is easy to press. Number 5. All-clad Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender. If you don't want to be tethered to one spot in the kitchen, this pick features a rechargeable battery that ran for over 15 minutes at high speed. Tap a button on top to unlock, then press the trigger to operate. It will automatically lock itself if you don't press the trigger after 30 seconds. The blade attachment and handle are made of stainless steel. We were impressed with how powerful it was, and it has one of the more quiet motors we evaluated. It also comes in a corded model, portable and ergonomic.